Hey guys, so what's up? I decided I would rearrange my room and clean up because it's a mess. Yeah, and I felt like because it's quarantine, there's something else to do, so I thought I would show you easy ways that you can spruce up your room, and make it cute while also like organizing it and stuff. So stay tuned. I feel like it hasn't gotten any better. I hung up some things on the wall just for high school memes, you know, that. And then I also put this on my wall. I'm just doing an overview. I still have to put away all those clothes. My pickle Rick, my TV, I have to like move the fan and move these boxes. And then clean off my bed. And then like rearrange my windowsill over there. But yeah, I'm not sure when I'm gonna start, but cue the clips. I'm just gonna continue painting, so hopefully it'll be dry by tomorrow, and then I can start putting like everything in my room. So I'm just painting, kind of coming along. This one's like the most complete. Yeah, so I've just been painting, kind of messed up a little bit, so I had to like take it off, but yeah. Okay, so now, you guys, so now I'm putting in my drawers that I painted. I just painted my vanity like that. And then I just finished my bed. So I'll go ahead and figure out, I'm going to put the rest in, and then I have to put all my clothes into the drawer. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and pull my desk in here, and then it'll look nicer. Okay, so this is my nightstand. I can go into a more in-depth one later if you'd like. And then I have my bed. It's kind of a little messy, but I just have my stuffed animals on it. And then you come over here and I have my desk. So I just have my TV on it. I'm watching Rick and Morty right now. You can see. Scooby-Doo poster up. And then I just have some of my school supplies and some of my makeup and stuff in my drawer. And my school bag. And then you come over here, and I haven't figured out my lights yet around my window, or my mirrors, but I want to put these up. I know that it's a different color than that one, but I don't have enough of this one and I can't find anymore, so yeah, we'll just have to deal with that. And then I have my gallon jug of water for the day, and then I just keep all my clothes inside. And then I also have this rug. I'm not too sure where it's from, but my mom let me use it. I don't know. So that was my bedroom kind of makeovers. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!